This tutorial will show you the basics for how to get started using the Mutual Fund Tax Guide. Under the Online Tax Guide tab on the menu bar, you will find the U.S. Treasury Reference Program, the Municipals Reference Program, the Corporate Dividend Received Deduction Reference Program, and the Foreign Income Tax Guide. Let's start by clicking on the U.S. Treasury Reference Program. If you have an active subscription, you should see the current tax year. If you are a sub-user on a multi-user account, your administrator may have already set state default settings for you. If you have a single user license, or if your administrator has not saved settings, you will need to do this before starting your tax return. You can either toggle between state settings that have been created for you, or create your own state settings by adding your state abbreviation and clicking the applicable boxes followed by Save States. Now you are ready to get started. We hope these tax guides will save you valuable time while you help save your clients money. Please watch our other tutorials or contact customer service if you have any further questions about how to use our guides.